Hello and welcome to Zimstek Media. A Good News and Mercy Ministries leader, Prophet T. Freddy, has taken to social media to show off his church, which was under construction. Many people have acknowledged that the structure is beautiful, with one comment saying very smart and another one saying we love it. Congratulatory messages are flowing in from different people all over Zimbabwe and abroad. Faith said Mbiri kunaishe, Admire said Makorokoto Makuru Mkoma wangu, and someone else said Makorokoto Makuru Mkoma wangu, Nyashangadzi wande. With past T. Fred structures that were demolished by the council, many people see this new development as indeed a testimony. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.